Okay, hello.
Welcome back to our channel of fun. As we said in our first video, we're going to do a range of things, and today we had the idea to do some
Cooking. So tonight, for dinner, we were going to have a chili. So we thought, why not film it for you guys? We do our chili in a slow cooker. So we're going to show you a slow cooked chili.
This is super easy. It takes really minimal effort
and minimal time, because we lazy people.
It takes a long time to cook, but it takes minimal time to...
Oh yeah, no time for us. And also because I'm not a big fan of vegetables per se, that I can see in the texture of them. So we haven't got many vegetables in this. I think the only vegetable we have, is there any vegetable?
We've got... Just go through the ingredients. What have we got?
So we've got an onion. We got some beef.
500 grams of diced beef.
We go for diced rather than minced because it's just a little bit better, especially in a slow cooker. It pulls apart.
And you also notice that ours is in a thin plastic bag from our butcher.
Yeah. We got some salad. You can use tinned tomatoes, but I don't like tomatoes either, so we go for passata. And today we have garlic and herb passata.
I'll put the garlic away then.
And we normally put garlic in there, but we've got garlic and herb passata. We don't normally buy this one, but you know what?
Treat yourself, eh?
Why not? Yeah, if you can't treat yourself, who else are you going to treat? Then we've got some spices. You can, yet again, buy a chili mix, where we have so many spices to make it ourselves. We've got some cumin apparently. Mild chili powder. And crushed chilies. I like to add some like basil or mixed herbs and stuff just because it looks quite nice, but Joe's ain't gonna like to mix it.
You're thinking of a
we'll add some mixed herbs to it as well, because
you want to taste the pan.
Yeah. Well, right. So to begin with, we're gonna fry off the mince. And by we, I mean Joe. Delegation is key. And I'm gonna start peeling the onion. When it comes to chopping, yet again, Joe will be doing that. Oh no, we gotta wash our hands! Oh! First thing, wash your hands. Wash your hands, Joseph. Nice clean hands. Here you go, here's a towel for you.
Cheers. Right, so brown off the brown off the beef. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put the frying pan onto a high heat. We've got a gas ring, which we both despise, but that's personal preference. We're going to put it on the biggest flame and then get the oil a little bit warm and just drop it in and brown it off. It's only going to be in there for probably 2 to 3 minutes until it's brown on all sides. The rest of the cooking will take place in slow cooker.
I shall peel an onion. Right, here we go. Let's add it to the slow cooker. As you can see, it's a well-used slow cooker. Okay, that's in there. Let's turn this bad boy on, and to do that, we will have to plug it in. We're going to turn it on to a medium heat. Beef is browned. It's 3 o'clock. We'll probably eat around 6, 7. So perfect amount of time. Right, now I'm going to pass this over to Joe so Joe can finish the onion because I've not done a very good job.
So onions are now browned off. You've added some
tomato.
At the end of the tomato passata in there. So I'm just going to put this in here and then I'll let you blitz it off. So at this point, obviously, if you were feeling adventurous, you could add red beans or kidney beans or, you know, typical Mexican style beans. But I would never get away with that with beef, so we're just going to stick to the onions. I'm pretty impressed that she even got onions in there today. Well done.
There you go, well, only adding some tomato, not even tomato, some potatoes in there. Got a handy little Russell Hobbs hand blitzer, and I'm gonna blitz. As you can see, it's still a little bit lumpy, but better than just big spaniel. Now we blitz.
No, we don't blitz.
You're right, we do not blitz. Now we mix. Right then. So now our chilli is cooking. It is time to do some washing up, cleaning up, and we'll put an Alexa on for roughly 3 hours to start off with, and we'll keep stirring it then so we can make sure it's nice and nice.
Nice and cooked. The reason why we cook it for so long is at the moment it'll feel quite watery, but as the time goes on it'll thicken up. If we get to the end and we don't think it's thickened up quite well,
You can add some corn flour.
Add either some corn flour, or another trick is gravy crackers.
But we'll let you know, because we'll take you along the journey with us.
Quick question, AB, how much do you think it costs for this chilli? I'll just
So,
write it out in my head.
Let's do some maths. Let's get serious. So spices, do we charge? We have them. So
Spices were in the cupboard, so they're a one-time charge. So
yeah,
I don't think they really
many
add that
people
much.
have simple spices, but if you're just going to buy the mix, I think the mix is like £1. So let's say spices £1. So that's £1 so far. We need to add the rice, which we haven't obviously cooked yet.
It's probably like 18p for rice.
18p?
Yeah, what, a kilo of rice like 56p.
Okay, so go 18p. One to make it difficult with the maths, I'm going to get my calculator out now, because I think the numbers are just going to get a bit more like that. Beef, like £2.50? £3?
I actually think it's 180 that he charges us.
So what do you say, 18p?
So it'd be 0.8.
Yeah, 18. And then £2.50 we'll go for beef.
I
think in Tesco's or somewhere like there where you go, that's how much you pay.
It's an overestimate.
And then passata is 68p?
Yeah.
Ooh.
We went shopping today, hence why we can remember the prices.
And what else we got? Onion, 50p, 20p.
It's like 20, yeah.
60, 70p. What should we put?
60,
35p.
Less than £5 for a whole meal for 2 people, so it's like £2.50 each.
Oh wow, you can't see that, can you? There we go. There we go, £4.71.
I tell you what.
Okay, time for the rice. I'm using a 1 tablespoon spoon because I don't want to go into the drawer and get the cups out. So here we go. How many 1 tablespoon do you think for 2 people? I'm going to fill just the top of the rice now with some cold water, about 1 centimetre, and then let it boil. Here we go. Low heat.
So it's been sitting here for a good number of hours now. I'm just going to give it a stir. Oh, you can smell it already. It smells great. It does smell like a chilli. It's actually quite thick, so you probably won't need to thicken ours today, which is good.
If only cameras could smell. Right then, let's see what this is like. Oh, look at that.
Oh, it's just tender. Brilliant. Good work.